Hey guys, it's Sincere, your realtor for life. Recently, I've been getting a lot of questions from homeowners about how they can get more money when they list. So I decided to make this video about 3 simple ways you can get more money when you list. Now typically, to get a home sold above list price, you need competition, meaning we need more buyers interested in your home. So a lot of these tips will revolve around getting as many buyers interested in your listing as we can. Now, to get started, you first want to look into staging your home. Now, staging your home is very important because it gives you an excellent opportunity to highlight all the best parts about your home. But not only that, staging your home, it allows your home to appear more move-in ready, which allows the buyer to visualize themselves living in the home even more. And by staging your home, I'm not just talking about moving out and making sure all your stuff is out of the house. No, I'm talking about making sure each room in the house has a purpose. Right here will be an example of a staged home versus a unstaged home. So you have an idea of what a staged home looks like. In fact, 82%, according to the National Association of Realtors, said that the buyer's agent said that staging their home helped their clients want the home even more. Staging your home increases the likelihood of a buyer being interested in your property. Now, if you're looking to make top dollar from your home sale, I do recommend having your home staged. Now, another way you can get more money for your house when you list is by updating the curb appeal. You know what they say about first impressions. If a buyer pulls up to your home and they see your home looking like a mess, how likely are they to put in an offer on your home? The point is, you want to make that first impression count. Trim the bushes, make sure the walkway is clear. Small things like that go a long way because buyers notice all the small things you do to take care of your home. Now, the last tip, but this is probably the most important tip, so you're gonna wanna hear this one, is get the price right. Now, when it comes to listing your home, the price is the most important part, because when you don't get that part right, the market will tell you. And this can affect how much you net dramatically if it goes wrong. Now, when you want to get that amount of how much you want to list your home for, you want to talk to a real estate professional because they will be able to tell you how much your home is worth at this current point in this market. If you want to know how much your home could be worth in this market, email me or contact me below. All my contact information is in the description below. Just feel free to shoot me a message and I will do a free home analysis for you. Now, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe for more real estate related content. And if you or anyone you know needs help buying, selling, investing, or renting in real estate, please contact me. All my information is in the description down below. Have a great day, guys.